So hello guys, this is the new no bullshit guide on how to connect Google Apps with N8n. So first you have to go to your N8n instance, and as you can see, this Google Sheets have not connected to my account, and that's why there is no credentials. So what I'll do is I'll create a new credential here, and I'll just go to a new tab and search for Google Console. You have to go to this link and open it. This is something called console.cloud.google.com. Now you have to go to API and services. But if you don't have a project, first you have to make your project. Click on new project and make your project. And in the demo tree, I'll name it whatever I want. You can name it also. And after that, what I'll do is when the project is created, I'll go to that project. I'll select that project. So I've selected N8n demo 3. Then what I have to do is I have to enable the service what I want. For example, I am using Sheets here. You can use whatever app you want, and that is what we are going to do here today. So I'm going to Google Sheets and I'll press this enable button. So enabling the API is done. What you have to do is we have to connect our account with N8n. That is, we'll do it using something called OAuth. So once this enabling is done, we'll go to OAuth consent screen. So when you click on that, you will see that it's very empty here. So we had to press on get started. So I'm just going to name it as N8n demo 3 itself. You can name whatever you want. So you have to fill all this out. And audience, you'll have to press on external. Then rest you can fill it out by yourself. Then you just have to create it. Now it will take some time. Now it will take a minute to create. So it's done now. What I'll hit now is I'll hit on create OAuth client. So after you hit that, go and choose a web application. Then again, I'll name this as N8n demo 3. Now what you have to do is, this is the most important part. You have to authorize the N8n redirect URL. And for that, you have to go back to N8n instance and you have to click copy on this and come back and you have to paste it on here. Then you have to create. Now it will create one OAuth client. What you have to do is you have to copy this client and you have to go back and paste it here. Now you have to click on OK. Now as this is created, you can go inside this and also copy your client secret. Now you can go back to N8n and paste it here. Now what you have to do is you have to just sign in with Google. So you can choose your account and just click on it. But if you get an error like this, then there is a way to fix this, and that's what I'm going to show you. You have to go back and click on save here. Now what you have to do is we have to give access to everyone. For that we'll have to publish the app. So you'll have to go to this section called audience and you have to click on publish app and confirm. And once this app is published, you will have to go back to N8n instance and you have to sign in with Google. Now you'll get a small warning, but what you have to do is you have to click on advanced and you just have to click on go to your link. Now when you press that, it'll ask you to give you permission on all this. Now what is happening here is it's just allowing your N8n URL to access your Google account. So it's nothing to be scared of. This is yourself you're giving permission to. So you can click on continue here and that is it. Your N8n is fully connected with your Google app. Now this client ID and client secret, you can copy and paste it somewhere else because now you can use the same on every Google app if you want. That is how you connect your Google app, guys. I hope you found the video useful. You can subscribe because I'm going to upload a lot of practical guides which you can use for yourself. So see you in the next video.